In this video, we're going to look at similar volume and similar area of similar shapes. So if we look at this information, we know that shape A has a surface area. Let's just highlight that. The surface area of shape A and the surface area of shape B. So I'm just going to make a little ratio table to solve this. So I know that the area is 300 to 675. Now let's just simplify that. Let's just divide each one of those by 5. So 300 divided by 5 gives me 60. And 675 divided by 5 is 135. Actually, they can be divided again by 5 to give me 27 and 12. In fact, they can be divided by 3, so this is looking really good. If I divide that by 3, I get 4. If I divide that by 3, I get 9. So I finished up with this as my area ratio. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make a little table that's going to help me solve the problems that come later. So I've got, if I say that the sides are in a certain ratio, the area is in a certain ratio that I know is 4 to 9, and the volume is in a certain ratio. Now the sides are the square root of the area. That's 2 and that's 3. Because if I had the sides, I'd square the 2 to get the 4, I'd square the 3 to get the 9. To get the volume, I cube the sides. So 2 cubed is 8 and 3 cubed is 27. And this is going to be an important ratio table for me to use. The first question says, find the height of shape B. So I'm going to use, a height is a side, it's a one-dimensional measure. So I'm going to use that first ratio, 2 to 3. So I'm going to copy down that ratio, 2 to 3 to begin with. The height of shape B, so shape B is the larger one. So let's put that down as H. And shape A has a height of 45. So I put that one down for shape A. So I've got 2 H's equals 3 times 45. And a little bit of algebra here. 3 times 45 divided by 2 is 67.5. So I've got that one really quickly just using that side ratio 2 to 3. Next one, the volume of B is 530. Work out the volume of A. So this time, because it's about volume, I'm going to pick out that ratio, 8 to 27. Let's just double check. 530 for my larger volume. Let's work out my V for my smaller volume. So again, I've got 27V equals 8 times 530. A little bit of algebra. We're going to do 8 times 530, and then we're going to divide it by 27. And it gives my volume for A as 157.03. Let's just round that one off. And there's my volume. So all of that will start from getting this ratio table right here, which I got from using the area and then square rooting and cubing for the volume.